all news or updated research may no longer be accurate or relevant. Always look for the date. Okay? To make sure the information is correct. So just like when we make a research studies or research paper, we must find a recent studies from the author, international author or local. Okay? Okay? So when say 5 years, on this one. 5 years late earlier. It's like 2020.